Hello mga kasipat! Good evening mga kasipat! Now mga kasipat, I will have a mukbang challenge now mga kasipat. I will eat plenty mga kasipat. Can you see mga kasipat? It's smoking still mga kasipat. It's very hot in here mga kasipat. Oh, and here mga kasipat, I have an okra mga kasipat that will give you enough nutrients in your body mga kasipat. It's still very hot mga kasipat. Oh, can you see the smoking mga kasipat? And now mga kasipat, I have here mga kasipat, a pancit with a vegetables and what we call is chicken mga kasipat. Very delicious mga kasipat. It's very hot in here mga kasipat. It's it mga kasipat. This is very delicious mga kasipat. This is all my favorite mga kasipat. The okra mga kasipat. And I also have chili garlic here mga kasipat. Let's use our hands in eating mga kasipat because they say mga kasipat, if you use your hands, you can eat very well and you can savor the taste mga kasipat, and you can really savor and you can feel the tasty delicious of the food mga kasipat. Now masibo, let's eat. Abla mama.
Oh, no.
Chili garlic. Yeah, chili garlic. Okra.
Tried it.
When you use your hands, most of it, you can flavor the taste, but you can really feel the hotness and the deliciousness of the food, mga kasipat. Vegetables. And this is just chili.
Oh, no.
Okra. Very delicious okra, mga kasipat. It will give you strong immune system, mga kasipat. It will boost your immune system when you eat okra, mga kasipat. This is a very magical vegetable, mga kasipat.
Oh, he tried it.
Abang mga.
Oh, no.
Chili garlic. Okra again. Chili garlic.
Oh, he tried it.
Very much, but you can not forget you will forget your name if you will take this microphone. It's very good. Use your hands. The best, Monster. Baby Monster, I love you all. Bye-bye. God bless you all.